Emotions. I'm not going to lie to you. When you first proposed this topic to us, I was a little ambivalent because I pictured, looking at a list of possible subjects in the app, and I know that personally, emotions that would be the last thing I would click on because I'm just like a typical guy and don't really want to talk about my emotions.
Right.
And yet here we are.
So
explain yourself. Why is this such a worthy subject?
Our emotions are happening whether we like it or not because they're a part of how we're built. So we either have a choice of being aware of them and relating to them wisely, or the opposite, which is trying to run away from them, trying to avoid them, acting them out, making problems for ourselves and other people around us.
So what you're teaching is a kind of emotional agility. That's your term. I like it a lot, so I'm stealing it unabashedly. What are we going to learn here?
We're learning how to be aware of our emotions in a balanced and spacious way, how to understand them more clearly, and how to respond and act appropriately when that's needed.
People can write off emotions as touchy-feely as much as they want, but they're here, and you want to be able to have agility in the face of them, and having that is a superpower. It can make you the calmest person in the room during a difficult meeting. It can make you not get into unnecessary fights with your romantic partner. It is an incredibly valuable skill, this agility of which you speak.
I would go a step further at the risk of enticing people for the wrong reasons and say that it can make you the calmest person in the room, but it can make you the most powerful person in the room. Because someone who can handle their emotions, which doesn't mean not expressing emotions, it means being able to handle them. It means being able to have our emotions and use them as appropriate. Having emotional agility gives us a lot of power because it means that we're balanced, we're grounded, we have a sense of stability inside, that things come at us and we're able to respond nimbly and handle whatever comes at us and whatever comes up inside of us. That's really powerful.
All right, I'm in, Sensei.